that, I will teach you, I will help you to remember about the factors that you learned in the last year. I mean, when you were in grade 6, special unit fractions and equivalent fractions. If the this is denominator, this is numerator. If the digit which you could see in the numerator 1 every time. So I mean, this is 1 over 5, this is 1 over 4, 1 over 5, 1 over 10. These fractions we name as unit fractions. Okay, these are unit fractions. So when it comes to these type of fractions, equivalent fractions, 3/4. Let's write an equivalent fraction to 3/4. To be taken an equivalent fraction to 3/4, we could multiply both sides, both the denominator and numerator using an equal value. So 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. So 3/4 and 6 over 8 are equivalent fractions. So 3/4 and 6 over 8 are equivalent fractions. So this is a basic idea of unit fractions and equivalent fractions. So what you have to do in this grade, in grade 7, you have to learn about mixed numbers. What are mixed numbers but not mixed fractions, right? Mixed numbers. So mixed numbers means when you write a mixed number, you need to write a whole number. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That type of numbers should be written, as well as a fraction also should be entered into that number. You were unable to realize it. This means, these are mixed numbers, not mixed fractions, right? Mixed numbers. What are mixed numbers? And this is 2, 1 over 5, 2, 1 over 5. Here is a whole number, here is a whole number, here is a fraction. Okay, fraction. Here is a fraction. So mixed number means, whole number and a fraction. Whole number, I mean a counting number. So this can be identified as 2, 1 over 5. This can be identified as 2, 1 over 5. 2, 1 over 5. Okay, this can be written as 2, 1 over 5. So this is 2, 1 over 5. Here is a mixed number. Here is a mixed number. So how about this one? 10, 3 over 4. This one also a mixed number. Mixed number. Okay, mixed number. How about this one? 11, 1 over 7. Mixed number. These are mixed numbers. Okay, so we could compare these numbers. Comparison of fractions. How can you compare? Just to think of this one. Your father brings a chocolate slab. That is divided into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you take one part of it. Right? 1/5. The same chocolate divides into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your brother gets 2/5 of it. Your sister takes 1, 2, 3, 4. Sister takes 2/5 of it. 2/5 of it. So anyway, just you think of this. What is the greater fraction here? Greater fraction here. I mean 1/5 or 2/5. Yes. Just the same chocolate divides into equal 5 parts. So what's the greater fraction here? Yes, the greater fraction according to your, you could observe here. Greater one is when you compare 2 over 5 and 1 over 5. This is the greater one. So this is this symbol, right? Is 2 over 5. Okay. So think of this one. Then what is the greater fraction here? 1 over 5, 4 over 5, 1 over 5. Greater fraction is 4 over 5. Okay, then denominator values are equal. So right at this moment, what you need to do, you need to consider the numerator values. So 11 over 12, 5 over 12. The denominator values are equal, denominators are equal. So what is the greater digit here right now? Greater fraction here, 11 over 12. Now this one, 4 over 8, 5 over 8. What is the greater fraction here? 5 over 8. So when the denominators are equal, you need to consider the numerator values. Here 4 over 5, 2 over 3. Now can you get an idea? Then what is this? How do you compare these fractions? Yes, how to compare these fractions? You compare these fractions. 4 over 5. You need to make an equal denominator here. Then here 4, here 5, here 3. Then how can you do that? You need to change. You could change really these digits. Okay. Or you could get the LCM of 5 and 3. Getting the LCM of 5 and 3 here, you cannot divide these digits by 2 here, but you could get the LCM here divided by 3, then 5, 1 divided by 5, 1, 1. So the LCM is 3 times 5 is 15. So the LCM is 15. So think of LCM, thinking of the LCM, so as to get the LCM, we are going to compare these fractions, right? We are going to find the greater fraction here. So, so as to get, we've taken the LCM of 5 and 3, that 15. So as to get here 15, we need to multiply by 3. So we multiply 5 by 3, then 5 times 3, then this side by 3. Then this, so as to get 15 here, then 3 times 5, 2 times 5. 4 times 3 is 12, 5 times 3 15, 2 times 5 10, 3 times 5 15. So we get here for 4 fifth, then we consider 4 fifth and 2 third. Okay. So now the greater fraction is 12 over 15. That is 12 over 15, which means eventually you would get 4 fifth as the greater fraction. So to be taken given fractions, when you compare given fractions, what you have to do, you have to equal the denominators, considering their LCM value.